Welcome class to another video. Here's what we have in today's lesson. We're dividing polynomials, and in today's lesson, specifically this lesson, we're dividing monomials. Monomial meaning one term. So let's just take a very elementary example of this. Let's say we were to have in the numerator 12 plus 8 minus 4. If that was in the numerator, and then let's say we had 4 in the denominator. So if you were to see this instinctively, here's what you might do. You might simplify the numerator and simplify the denominator and then divide, which is a very correct way of doing it. 12 plus 8, that would be 20, and 20 minus 4 is 16. So my numerator becomes 16. And then the denominator, I still have 4. So now, 16/4, we simply reduce that fraction, and we get the answer to be 4. And that's the way that you might instinctively do it. Now I want to teach you another way of dividing monomials because this will work for polynomial functions. So another way that we can say this is, once again, we're going to have this exact same example problem. 12 plus 8 minus 4 divided by 4. Now the strategy that we're going to use to divide monomials is going to be each term in the numerator we're going to divide by the term in the denominator. So it's going to be 12 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4, and a negative 4 divided by 4. And you're going to see that we're going to get the exact same answer when we do it this way as well. 12/4, this right here. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is a positive 2. And a negative 4 divided by 4 is a negative 1. So now just simplifying this, 3 plus 2 minus 1, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. So as you can see, we get the exact same answer if we simplify the numerator, like we did up top, divided it by the denominator, we got 4. We also got the exact same answer when we took each and every term, 12 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4, negative 4 divided by 4. Each term in the numerator, we divided by the one term in the denominator, and we still got the correct answer of 4. So as you can see, either way works. The reason why I show you the second way is because that is exactly how we have to do it when we have variables in our polynomial functions. So our strategy is going to be taking the numerator, 4x cubed y squared, each term in that numerator divided by the denominator, which is 4xy, plus the second term, 8xy squared divided by 4xy, and then we have the third term, minus 12x squared y cubed, that again over that same denominator of 4xy. And now all we do is we divide each of these terms individually. So let's start off with the one on the furthest left. Four x cubed y squared divided by 4xy. 4 divided by 4 cancels. X cubed divided by x makes an x squared. And y cubed divided by y makes a y to the first. So there's our first term. Our second term, 8/4 reduces to 2 over 1, or just 2. X divided by x cancels. Anything divided by itself is 1. And then y squared divided by 1 makes y to the first. So we have x squared y plus 2y, and then our third term, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we're going to have a minus 3. X squared divided by x is x to the first, and y cubed divided by y is y squared. So our answer is this polynomial function, x squared y plus 2y minus 3xy squared. Now I want you guys to be very, very careful about how you answer your questions, especially on accelerated math, because they might try to trick you up. What you did right here, everything is correct. However, when you look at Excel math, one of your A, B, C, D options might not be this exact answer. it might be this instead. It might be 2y minus 3xy squared plus x squared y. As you can see, this blue and this green are the exact same thing. You just need to decipher when you get the blue answer that if Excel Math has the green answer, that is also correct. So make sure you're very, very careful. You could go through the whole process, get an answer, and it might not look exactly like that on Excel Math. That's just because you have to switch up some of the terms, which is fine to do. Just make sure that you're aware of that. All right, you guys pause the video. Try to do this one on your own, and then I will let you know the answer after you are done with it. All right, each and every one of these terms we're going to divide by the denominator of 5ab. So we have 5a squared b divided by 5ab. So the 5 divided by 5 cancels. A squared divided by a is a raised to the first, and b divided by b cancels. So we just have a by itself for the first term in this polynomial function. Polynomial expression, I guess. All right, now we have a negative 15/5 is a negative 3. A divided by a cancels. B cubed divided by b is b squared. So minus 3b squared is the second term. And our third and final term, 10/5 is the same thing as a positive 2. A cubed divided by a is a squared. And b to the fourth divided by b to the first is b cubed. So our answer, a minus 3b squared plus 2a squared b cubed. And as you can see, we get the exact same answer, just in a different order again, which I prepared you for, that you might see that in Excel Math. 2a squared b cubed, 2a squared b cubed. A positive a, a positive a. A negative 3b squared, a negative 3b squared. So make sure you're very, very careful on that as you do your Excel Math objectives. I hope you guys have great luck with this lesson. Let me know if you have any questions.